But object clause, basically clauses of MOA is available. MOA means memorandum. but last lecture आपण घेतलं होतं. MOA is the first step. It is the first step of the formation of company to prepare the MOA. It's the constitution charter of the company. It's the constitution or charter of the company and define the limitations of the powers of company. Basically, MOA is original document framed by company and altered by company as per the provisions of Company Act known as MOA. MOA have some features, then uh, formats, Company Act, Table A, Table B, Table C, Table D, Table E. Have the 6 clauses: a name clause, a register address clause, object clause, liability clause, capital clause, and subscription clause. Or two clause already cover. Two clauses already cover the left. Already cover the name clause. It's a name clause the company. This clause contain the name of company. The name selected should not be similar or identical with another existing company. A public company use limited word. A private company is private limited word. Alteration name clause. How alter the name clause? First pass the board resolution, then special resolution in the annual general meeting or external meeting. हे झालं होतं आपलं. लास्ट लेक्चरमध्ये मीटिंग म्हणजे काय? बोर्ड मीटिंग, मेंबर मीटिंग. मीटिंग इज अ ऑफिशियल गॅदरिंग. आवाज क्लिअर येत नाही का सगळ्यांना?
येतोय सर.
मग टाकतोय कोणतरी. The official gathering of company related person known as company meeting. Two or more person come together and discuss the company related subject known as meeting. A board meeting means a director meeting. A member meeting means every shareholder meeting. It's the annual general meeting or extraordinary general meeting. A motion. A motion means any proposal or any subject put before the meeting for discussion purpose known as motion. A resolution means any motion approved by the meeting known as resolution. Ordinary resolution means any motion approved by the meeting more than 50% in favor known as ordinary resolution. A partial resolution means if any motion approved by the meeting more than 75%, more than 75% known as partial resolution. When changes in the MOA, when changes in the memorandum, a company must require to pass a partial resolution. The company must approve by member by passing partial resolution. At least 75% member must favor in the changes of MOA. A register of company, an officer appointed by the central government for incorporating is registering companies आणि मॉनिटर the company's activities as per the company act. जर हे समजलं तर अल्टरेशन समजेल तुम्हाला. बोर्ड रिझोल्युशन, स्पेशल रिझोल्युशन and submit to copy of special resolution to ROC within 30 days. Must require to submit and to ROC. Then next clause, address clause म्हणा, other situation clause म्हणा. But the address of register office of the company. When company established, if company not decide head office of the company, that time company only mention state of the company in the MOA. In the MOA, company must mention a state, and after establishment, after incorporating company, a decide permanent address of the company and issue notice to ROC. हे लास्ट लेसनला झालंय आपलं असं. A company must maintain all statutory registers, books, or document in the office, or any court matter must concern to office. All communication are done from the office. Or every company notice, letters, even product, company must print an address of company. कुठलेही प्रोडक्ट घेऊन बघा तुम्ही, एनी जस्ट एक्झाम्पल एनी कॅडबरी जरी प्रोडक्ट बघितलात तुम्ही, कॅडबरीच्या बॅक साईडला कंपनीचं नाव असतं and also register office of the company. Alteration situation clause. If company change place within city not required, but company change city within state are required to pass board resolution, special resolution, and submit to ROC. If company change address from one state to another state, must require to pass a board resolution, a special resolution member meeting, and submit to regional directors. To regional director. But next clause, object clause. Already cover is the object clause. Object is motive clause. For which purpose company establish and explain the object clause. It's the business of the it's the business a clause of the company. Object means motive and clause means one section. This clause is quite important. It's the most important factor the clause of the business. The company only establish for this clause. So company must require must be very carefully drafted and determine the activities of the company. This clause is quite important and must be very carefully drafted. It determine the activities of the company because company cannot do beyond this activity. Every company, every person relate to organization must follow object clause. In the object clause, each and every detail of activities of the business to be carried out must be laid down. In the object clause, company mention each and every activities in detail. It defines and limits the scope of operation of the company. It's provide explanation, it's provide power, it's provide limits for operation of the company. It explain to the member the scope of activities of the company, where the capital will be employed, the which purpose company established, the purpose of company known as object clause. अंडरस्टैंड होता है का? इट्स ऑब्जेक्ट क्लॉज है. इट्स एवरी एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द बिजनेस. अंडरस्टैंड सगळ्यांना होतंय का? But it explains to member the scope of activities of company, where their capital will be employed. म्हणजे how capital employed, why capital collected by company, and which purpose used in this mention in the object clause. It it gives protection to the shareholder. It gives the protection to the shareholders by ensuring that uh, funds raised for specified businesses are not going to be raised to another. This clause provide protection to the shareholders. They ensure the amount provided by shareholder it's a use for business purpose or not for another purpose, because company director cannot use amount for another purpose which not mentioned in the object clause. Every employee, every director must follow the object clause. Without object clause become violation of law. But the object clause can divide three parts. A main objects, accidental objects, or ancillary objects, or other objects. This subclause contain the main objects of company are to be pursued on its incorporation. This main object means the main motive of the business for which purpose established company. It's the idea of business. It's cover object clause which are accidental into attainment of the main object. For the achievement of main object, require perform the another thing, and these things provide in the object clause. A sub clause, other objects cover any objects which not include in the main object. It's object clause. It can alter by company by applying this. First, company pass board resolution, then pass special resolution in the member meeting, either annual general meeting or external meeting, and submit the copy of special resolution to ROC within 30 days from the passing. नेक्स्ट name capital clause. This clause state that the amount of capital with which of the company to be registered. This clause mention how much amount required for the company. How much capital required for the business mention the capital clause. This clause also state the number of face value of shares into which of the capital is divided. म्हणजे capital of the company divide into small shares. The capital of the company divide into small shares, and these shares held by the member, so known as shareholders. The capital of the company divide to small parts, and the small part is known as shares, and the shares held by the member of company. So every member is a shareholder of company. The capital with which of the companies registered, this capital is registered capital, nominal capital, or authorized capital. Register, nominal, or authorized capital. Points are gonna call a capital clause. But alteration capital clause. When company alter capital because its starting capital not sufficient, not because just when expand the business, when a diversification the business, a component to increase capital, a component to increase capital of the business, or increase required to alter a capital clause. That time required to alter capital clause of the company. When alter, have the procedures set. First, a director pass a resolution in the board meeting. First, director pass a resolution in the board meeting. Then, a company pass ordinary or special resolution in the annual general meeting or external meeting. First, pass board resolution in the board meeting. Director come together and approve the alteration capital clause by passing board resolution. A second step का ordinary और special resolution है. Ordinary कधी लक्ष द्या आणि special कधी. ordinary when increased capital, when company want to expand business, and when company to more capital, a company pass ordinary resolution in the member meeting by arranging annual general meeting or extraordinary general meeting. Because when increase capital, ordinary, but reduce capital when company want to decrease capital, when company want to close some plant, minimize business, that time company reduce capital, so apply partial resolution. When increase ordinary, when reduce partial resolution. अंडरस्टँड होतंय का? ऑर्डिनरी कधी आणि स्पेशल कधी? When increase capital, ordinary resolution. When reduce capital, special resolution. समजतंय का सगळ्यांना? If company pass ordinary resolution, not require submit to ROC, but company pass special resolution require submit to ROC within 30 days. Must require submit to ROC. पॉइंट सगळ्यांना क्लियर होता है? Alteration capital clause. The next is liability clause. A liability. This clause explain the nature of liability of the member. This clause mention nature of liability of the member. Because liability means ability to repay the loan. But liability असा डिवाइड होतो. ला मीन्स लोन आहे, म्हणजे लोन ability. The person have ability to repay the loan means loan liability. Liability either limited shares, guarantee or unlimited. Liability काय असेल? Limited shares, guarantee or unlimited. In the case of company, limited by shares or guarantee. The fact the liability of a member is limited must be made absolutely clear. The company must mention clearly liability of the member or responsibility of the member. Must clarify. In the case of company limited by shares, the liability of member is limited to the nominal value of shares held by him. Limited by shares in the member liability limited only काय nominal value of shares. The shares are fully paid. The shares are fully paid. Liability nil. Shares are fully paid. Liability nil. If partly paid, just some part paid, some not paid. If partly paid up, liability is up to unpaid value of shares. Unpaid value of shares. In case of guarantee, in the guarantee, member liability is limited. Member pay the annual subscription. Member pay the annual subscription and provide guarantee to company, contribute the assets on the event of winding up. When business close, at that time they bring some assets or money for payment of loan. It's a liability है, guarantee है. They assure to company pay annual subscription as well as they provide assets when required the organization. It's a liability clause. It's a liability clause of the company. Alteration liability clause. Basically, alteration are not approved by the members. Very difficult to agree from the members for changes in liability. A board resolution first, and then a partial resolution. It is very difficult to convince to member change the liability from share to guarantee, guarantee to shares, or limited. Not possible. Member never agree for changes in liability clause. It's the most difficult clause to alter them. Alteration of liability clause. क्लियर से होता है first board resolution, then special resolution, annual general meeting or extraordinary general meeting. Then submit the copy of special resolution. Submit the copy of special resolution to ROC within 30 days. 30 days. सगळ्यांना समजलं का? आज जे शिकवलं ते आज हे घेतलं आपण ऑब्जेक्ट क्लॉज,
Yes, sir.
then changes in object clause, liability clause, capital clause. क्लोज करूया आणि हेवी रेन आहे भरपूर.